Hello audiences, this is Top Computing. I am Sgano Agwata. In this video, I want to show you about loop statements using Python or iterative statements on Pythons. When we say looping or iterative statements, it is a type of control structure that executes a given body of code or code body iteratively until a certain condition is fulfilled. Until a certain condition is fulfilled, or until a certain condition is break out. For example, print hello world until x greater than 0. That means there is negative numbers or negative value of x, for example, -6, and we plus 1 iteratively. When we plus 1 each iteration, the value of x will increase to 0. So if we have the statement, print hello world until x greater than 0. So this statement prints the hello world until the x value is 1. As we see here, there is input, then there is condition. If the condition is fulfilled, it will return back to the starting point or return back to the initial point and check the condition again. And if the condition is fulfilled, so it's also roll back. And finally, if the condition is not fulfilled or if the condition is breakout, it directly jumps to the last line of codes and leave out from the execution. For example, let me start creating new files, new Python file for loop loop.py. Then x is equals to, for example, it is a string x is equals to Python tutorial in iterative computing. Python tutorial by iterative computing. We have the string like this. For I in x, that means since I is present in x, or until x is the value of, until I is the value of x, or until I is present in x. This expression until I is present in the value of x. Then print I comma int is equals to this space. That means after printing p, it will create a space. Print y, it will create t. Print t, it will after printing y, it will create space. Print t, create space. Print h, create space. Int is equals to single quote, intermediate single, in between single quotes there is a space to create the space between individual character. So let me run. You see, Python tutorial by iterative computing. We can display like this. Or, for example, if we want to display the number from 1 up to 5, we can also for I in range for I in range 5 or 10, we can say 6 for I in range 6, print I. We can do like this. Run. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does not incorporate the last number. Does not incorporate the last number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 1 up to 5. Only 1 up to 5. For example, if we want to display the number between starting and ending, we give the starting point and we give the last or ending point, and you can display that number. For example, in a range 6 up to 12, for example, it will display the number from 6 up to 12. From 6 up to 12. So starting from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, the number from 6 up to 12. We can also print this means display the number from 4 up to 12, but by jumping 2 steps. By jumping 2 steps. Let me see. So starting from 4 and jump to number 6, jump to number 8, jump to number 10, and jump to number up to 12. So it does not display 12 because 12 is the destination point, the end point. 12 is the end point. Display numbers by jumping 2 digit. We can also display the number by jumping 2 digits from the last to the first 2 digits by minus 2 digits. You can say from for example 12 to 4. From 12 to 4. Display. Sorry. Minus 2. Here it is 12. Jump to digit down, 10, jump to digit down, 8, jump to digit 6, jump to digit 4. Since 4 is the final of the destination, 4 will not be displayed. The other one, we can also iteratively display the numbers, even numbers or odd numbers. Display the numbers or even numbers, for example, even numbers from 2 up to for example 20. From 2 up to 20. That means from 2 up to 20. It is 20. Then if we add if statement, if I modulo 2 divided by 2, remainder is equal to 0. Print I, comma int is equals to space. Then it will display the even number from 2 up to 20 by making or creating space between the two numbers or adjacent numbers. Let me check it. You see 2, 4, 6 all are even numbers. All are even numbers. The other one, else, you can, for example, else print I, or we don't need else, just I want to display the odd numbers, we can make it not equals to display. It will display odd numbers. It will display odd numbers. This is all about for loops. So until we meet by the next video, have a nice time.